I've got this fresh green mango from the market this morning, and I'm gonna make it interesting and tasty. I'll make a dip to it. For Nampla Wan or sweetened fish sauce, we are going to need dry shrimp, bird's eye chili, dry chili, shallots, shrimp paste, palm sugar, and fish sauce. The first step I'm going to prepare by smashing half of the dry shrimp in the mortar. Okay, finally it's ready. And next, we're gonna smash the dry chilies. And for this dip or Nampla Wan, you don't need to make it so spicy, just adjust it to your liking. For me, I like medium spicy, so I use 4 dry chilies and 2 bird's eye chilies. The dry chili is also ready. Next, I'm gonna cut the shallots and bird's eye chilies. And now we are ready to light the fire up and melt the palm sugar. We only need 3 tablespoons of palm sugar. Next step, we add 3 to 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. Okay, and next I'm going to need a little bit water in here. I'm gonna let it simmer. After that, I'm gonna add the dry shrimp that I have smashed before. The reason we smash this dry shrimp and dry chili because we need to get the texture from this, and also we need to get the smell, good nice smell from the dry chilies. Now it's simmered. Follow with the dry chilies. And then we can add the dry shrimp. Okay, now I have the texture of the dip quite ready, so I'll add this shrimp paste. Well, if you cannot find the shrimp paste or you don't like the shrimp paste, you can actually skip it too, because I'm gonna use very little amount. Everything is melted nicely in here, so we can start to add the vegetables. It's good. So now just wait a little bit until it's reduced just to the right texture. Oh, don't let me shake. It's getting there. Our dip is ready. I turn off the heat. Ooh, ooh. Look at that. Can you smell it? Can you smell it? It smells so good. Trying to make mango or slice the mango to thin pieces. It is so good. You want to try it? So make it at home. You can find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. You can also visit our Instagram, Facebook, but don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For today, have a very spicy day. Bye bye.